Booker, principal broker and owner of Arbrook Realty in Allen, Texas. We're a full-service real estate company here to serve all of your real estate needs. Now, one thing I want to talk to you about today is a moving checklist tip as it pertains to banking. You know, sometimes when we move to a different area of town, city, or even out of state, we forget about transferring some banking information. Be sure to cancel those automatic payments or direct deposits that you have already preset. Transfer any funds and arrange for those funds to go to your new bank. Arrange for any credit references that you may have in an existing city or an existing bank. You want to have those handy when you go to the next bank. As well as, don't forget, check your safe deposit box. Don't forget about it. You'll want to get a new one in the city or state that you're moving to. I hope that's been helpful. Roz Booker, Arbrook Realty, we're here to serve your needs. Give us a call. Thanks.